Photos of the promising Hyundai Ioniq 6 electric sedan and the third model after the Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6 on the Electric Global Modular Platform (E-GMP) have become freely available. The photos were published by the Cardesign World channel. The world premiere of the car will take place only on July 14. The exterior of the production Hyundai Ioniq 6 is intertwined with the 2020 Prophecy Show car. Note the characteristic solution of the front part with a pronounced volume of wings and headlights, as well as a profile with a large slope of the rear part. Also, Ioniq 6 will be able to boast of hidden door handles, pixel optics and cameras instead of side mirrors. In general, the commercial sedan will look noticeably simpler, although it will retain some similarities with the concept. It is expected that the Ioniq 6 will be offered with both rear and all-wheel drive, that is, with one or two electric motors. The capacity of the traction battery will be 77 kilowatt-hours. The power in the top version is 220 kilowatts, 300 horsepower. It is expected that the sale of the model in South Korea will be launched in 2023, and at that time Hyundai will show the large crossover Ioniq 7. Thus, by 2024 the Ioniq line will be fully formed and will include 3 models, actually, Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6 and Ioniq 7.